Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, I've got Poolife's Turboshock. This is a cal hypo treatment. We're gonna apply it to this pool, and I'm gonna show you guys the proper ways, the do's and the don'ts to add this to your pool. Stay tuned. And we're back. So, Turboshock, solid stuff from Poolife. This is a calcium hypochlorite. This is a strong stuff. So this is 78% cal hypo. That's the industry term for calcium hypochlorite is cal hypo. This is the most popular shock they sell. Really solid stuff. With cal hypo, you got to be really like cautious on it. With all the hazmat stuff with cal hypo, how you transport it, how you store it, everything else. They keep it in these nice child protected bags. So like literally if I try to open this, like it's not the easiest to open, which is really nice. So I really like the fact that it's not easy for a child to come over here, open this thing up, pour it, whatever you got to do. So 1 pound bag. Yeah, 1 pound bag. And all you're going to do when you add this stuff is you're going to sprinkle it in. You can walk around the pool if you want to. If you add it in one spot, I just recommend brushing it because you don't want to sit in the bottom of your pool, especially if you have a nice pebble sheen or a Brilliance or even a vinyl liner, because those things are really susceptible of getting bleached out with this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I actually have a nice pair of scissors. So I'm going to cut the corner off. So as you can see here, and it's got like a little powder to it. So that way it's not a big dust ball like some of the shocks out there. This is more of the consistency of granulated sugar. So that's what's kind of nice about this stuff is that when you do pour it, it doesn't just powder up everywhere. So if you walk it around your entire pool, you're going to notice that it's going to slowly dissolve down the further it goes. I still recommend having your cleaning system on when you guys are doing this. You want to still push this around, circulate it. This is considered shocking your pool. So only do this when it's recommended by us at your local pool store, or if you've tested your water and you need the chlorine inside of your pool. But this is a great way to shock your pool. So I'm going to show you real quick. We're probably going to speed this up. So that way I'm going to walk around the entire pool and throw some of this in for you. I like to disperse it all the way around the pool. So let's do a little bit more. Cool. So, as you can see, it's slowly dispersing, which is kind of nice. But yeah, and throw it in your pool. Now give it a brush when you're done. This is cal hypo. It's very strong stuff, especially at 78%. So it's a lot. I mean, it's 78% active chlorine. It's really gonna kill some stuff inside your pool. I wholeheartedly recommend not swimming for at least 3 to 5 hours after you add this stuff. It's gonna be pretty potent when you first smell it. You'll be able to smell some chlorine inside the backyard a little bit. I only added 1 bag. Again, read the instructions, read the directions on how much to add, when to add it, what your chlorine levels need to be at. Every pool's different, guys. And if you need help, ask your local pool professional, okay? So this is, again, Poolife's Turboshock. Amazing stuff. Highly recommend it. Stop in on our store, go online, buy it, check out. It's great stuff, guys. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.